Intramuros is Latin language. My English is not better, but I hope you understand me.
Okay.
Let's start. Intramuros is Latin language.
Okay.
Intra means inside. Muros is within the wall. Inside, within the wall. But some people call the Intramuros is old city Manila. Intramuros is very big area. It's a 64 hectares. And that wall is 4.5 kilometers.
64.
64 hectares. About 29 historical places here.
How long it
So guide, bodyguard, and also a driver.
Just only for 5 to 10 minutes. We will finish everything.
Yes. It's up to you.
Yeah, okay,
Do
okay.
you know inside Intramuros before have 7 churches and 7 university? From now on, we have 2 church and 4 university. And the white building, that one is the former site of Santo Domingo Church and Convent. And that one is King Felipe II, King of Spain. Ruy Lopez de Villalobos giving the name to King Felipe to become the Philippines, Philly, England, and Ireland, and God of 17 provinces to Netherlands. But you can take me video, but don't focus.
Oh.
Direct from the Philippines, the Spanish name for the island. Before the Spanish colonization and the naming of the archipelago as the Philippines, there was no single unifying name for the entire archipelago, but rather different name for the specific region or island, ethnic group that inhabited them. The name of the island in 21, discovered by Portuguese Ferdinand Magellan. The Intramuros was discovered by Spanish conqueror by Adelantado Miguel Lopez de Legazpi in 1571. Do you know Intramuros is yes, Intramuros is a very big area, right? It's a 64 hectares. Intramuros is Manila before. Manila is Intramuros. This is a center of war, Battle of Manila in World War II. General Douglas
First
MacArthur.
place we are going which place now?
Let's go to Quezon. Built in 1611, University of Santo Tomas. And also, this is the house of dormitory of the national hero during student year.
Okay.
Do you know Dr. Jose Rizal?
No, sir.
Dr. Jose Rizal person. Rizal can speak 22 languages. He's fighting the Spaniards and
You know
Rizal,
history very well.
yes. Rizal is writing a novel, Noli Me Tangere, and El Filibusterismo, because the Spaniards and trials before was abusing the power in the Philippines. And that one is the biggest church in the Philippines. Manila Cathedral is the mother of church of the Philippines. Occupied by the American in 1898. And the third British invasion in 1700. The last is Japan, 1941 to 1945. Pwede na kami dito ba? Is officially named after the Basilica of the Immaculate Conception.
Now we are going which place?
The Memorial Manila. I will explain about 29 days battle in World War II. And that one is a Chinese museum, Bahay Chinoy. Bahay Chinoy is a Tagalog word. Bahay means house. Chinoy is a Chinese Filipino. Chinese, that's a house of Chinese before.
Okay.
Because Chinese was living here so many years. Chinese, they came in 1700 to business here. And also the first Chinatown and the old Chinatown inside the Intramuros first. Before relocate to Lucky Chinatown. That's why the reason Chinese have many connections in the Philippines. Let's go. That one is a Memorial Manila in 1945. It's a World War II. This memorial is dedicated to those innocent people victims of war. The old people killed during the war is almost 100,000 people. It was fought between the United States and the Philippines against the Imperial Japanese Army. Japanese forces committed mass murder against the Filipino civilian, and American artillery destroyed much of the city. More than 100,000 non-combatants Dungeon Tunnel, Lego Walls, Museum of the National Hero, and 600 people killed during the mass. And that's the old churches. Then one did use hospital. That one is the largest private hospital in the Philippines in 1934. And that all places in Paco, Ermita, Malate, Pasay. That one is all out in the world. It's Extramuros. I will This church in the Philippines. San Agustin is only original structure inside the Intramuros, but they all renovated. Museo de Intramuros and Centro de Turismo is a former site of San Ignacio Church. And that one, we have a rules and regulation inside the Intramuros.
Okay.
No heavy traffic enforcement. So many here, security, guardians. It's the oldest church in the Philippines. So people have two places na entrance. San Diego and Lamborghini. Philippine Lamborghini, ah? President, they put another one, another barrel. We need to finish the term. That's the all president in the Philippines. Do you know now how many presidents in your country?
17?
17.
That's right. Our country.
Yes, how many?
Maybe 20.
Total 40
It is 450 years. 450 years. To stand up. Its original structure never been destroyed. You want to go there?
Chamber. Okay.
But in 1700, it's a watchtower, 30 feet.
Pag mabango, goods yan. Walang yun. Need to put many sand and grasses. 1908 became golf course. Until now, that is 18 holes. This cannon, it was pointing to Manila Bay. At the back of that building is bay, to see the enemy coming in. I think this cannon right now pointing to
Museum of the Philippines University, a culinary and tourism university. Museum of the Philippines University, this is the largest private hospital in the Philippines in 1934. The hospital was destroyed during the Battle of Manila in 1945. Then after destruction, the hospital was decision to move to Pasig City in 1951. 1952 was founded by the third president in the Philippines, Jose P. Laurel. Jose P. Laurel is a controversial president before. In 1943 to 1945, he's a puppet president. That one. Because Jose P. Laurel had choice to follow the rules of the Japanese during World War. Market. This is a Chinese rice dealers market or old Chinatown. The first Chinatown in the Philippines. Do you know Chinese have 1,000 population inside the Chinese, and the old Chinese was pushing there to Angkor land, to Lucky Chinatown. That's the reason Chinese was living here so many years. Chinese is very smart person. Business is business to become a rich, and also helping each other to become a rich. But Filipino have a club mentality. Do you know, the Spanish Empire ruled the Philippines for 333 years
Okay.
until the end of the rule. In 1898, Ferdinand Magellan first arrived in the Philippines is March 16, 1521. But it was Miguel Lopez de Legazpi who successfully established a Spanish colony in 1565, setting up the capital in Manila. The Spanish colonial era ended with the United States defeat of Spain in the Geneva Treaty of Paris on December 10, 1898 to transfer the direct control to American colonial for only $20 million. Magandang hapon mga kababayan! Let's go! Respect older than you, po, using po. Po is no meaning. But
Respected word.
respect older than you, or if you want to respect that person, use po. Yes, salamat po.
Salamat.
And that one is the Bureau of Immigration. But the places, sir, you see all of them. Manila Cathedral, San Agustin, Fort Santiago. Do you want to go to Fort Santiago? But yeah, but I'm cheap. 100 each person. Do you want to
No,
go?
no, we don't have time.
What?
We'll go back to 2 hours.
We need to...
Later we see how many people.
It's the new bridge. That one is made by Chinese. It's China 8. The Mexican port. Golfo, but anyway.
Okay.
There.
That's my brother.
Yes,
From my
I-
another mother.
Oh, where are you from, ma'am?
From Malaysia.
Oh, Malaysia. Looks like Filipina.
Wow!
Filipino.
Updated,
Oh,
huh?
my God. You can speak Indonesian? Jalan-jalan. Era kasi.
How about you? Where are you from?
India.
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 Oh!
Namaste.
Mekus na ito.
Mekus.
Mekus.
Tell him, ಈ ಸಲ
Isa.
ಕಪ್
Cup.
ನಮ್ದು.
Nando. Go to the Fort Santiago. It's more fun in the Philippines. Hello family, good afternoon. Kabuhay. Kayo maganda sa hapon. Let's go! Saan dito? Hindi ko alam kung ba't ako kasama dito. Kasama